This project is baby monitoring system using wireless sensor network with GSM. Here Arduino functions are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply and 16:2 LCD. Here GSM modem interfaced with Arduino UART. DHT11 mic sensors and MEMS are connected to Arduino digital and analog pins respectively. Now power on this. GSM initializing. We have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. DHT11 sensor can detect baby temperature and humidity. If temperature more than 35 degrees, SMS will come. Humidity more than 90%, SMS will come. Here S means SMS sending. If baby crying, condenser mic senses sound and send SMSs. MEMS attached to baby body and it can detect baby movement. Finally, if you want to know all sensors data, we have to send SMS command star *# to GSM modem. We will get all sensor data in SMS.